Ivy, and it's time for Dollar General's Do Now deals. That means the deals will not last, the coupons will go away, or you won't have the products, okay? So we have a ton of freebies that I would suggest that you do now. So come on, guys, let's go. Okay, now remember, guys, we're looking at a 2-day sale. That means August 31st, my granny's birthday, bless her in heaven, and then to September 1st. The first freebie we're going to look at is the buy two, get two free Lay's chips. So I'm going to get some Ruffles. Okay, and then I'll get these two. So buy two, get two free. Let's scan it. Okay, $3.95. Buy two, get two free, 2 for $6. Please do the buy two, get two free. Okay, $3.95 times 2 equals $7.90 divided by 4, $1.97 each. Let's get to our next freebie. Okay, next we're going to come right here, guys, to the 2-day sale again on the Planters peanuts right here. As you see there, I have the last 2. So they did early activation. So I hope you guys took heed and watched my video and knew that you could have early activated the 2-day sale last night after 7 p.m. So I'm going to pick up 2 of the Planters peanuts, okay? And we're going to scan that. And we see that it is $4. See that it is $4. And then it is buy one select Planters peanuts, get one free. So we'll grab that freebie, okay? Now let me show you something that they do not have. That's a freebie that people early activated, she said, last night because of the holiday. The ketchup, the Heinz ketchup, they don't have the ketchup. But they do have the hot dogs still here. So that's another freebie you could have done, okay? They don't have the ketchup, though. So maybe I'll find an extra bottle somewhere floating around. But if not, I'm not going to worry about it because that deal goes on for all week. That deal go on for 2 days, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, okay? So now, let's get to another freebie I want to do. Let me see if they have it over here. And that is this. Now see, they have that citrus, and I don't like that citrus. The peach is gone. That was buy two, get one free, and it worked out great because the spend $10, get $3 off is on that deal, okay? Let me show you. Okay, so here we go, $7.50, and that would be the peach. Sometimes I look behind it to see if they got any peach. No, they didn't have any peach behind it. So it's $7.50. Then we have 2 deals. The first deal is buy 2 Lipton 12 packs or Pure Leaf 6-pack bottles, get 1 free. Now, you also have the spend 10, save 3. There are $7.50. So we're gonna pull it up. $7.50 times 2 for $15. Take away your $3 because you spent over 10. At least you would 12. Divide that by 3. You're going to pay $4 for each pack, okay? And do the Lipton right here, but they're $8.20. The same deal come up, guys, and I think it'll make you pay like $4.50 for each one. Let me scan it for you. Okay, $8.20. Still the same 2 deals, but only $8.20, and I did the DLC $4.46 instead of paying $4 for each one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try and find the peach teas first before I come back and get the Lipton. My granddaughter actually liked those teas right there, but you get more getting these big ones. Okay, now don't forget, guys, that Celsius water is also the same buy 2, get 1 free. All right, it's the same deal. It's so let me see, how is it going? My mom drinks Celsius water. Let me see. So those are $2.35. What? For how many? No, I don't think that's right. Hold on. Well, buy 2, get 1 free. They 2 for $4. So there you go. So you would buy 4 and you would get 2 free. There you go. Next, I'm going to come over here to the hamburger and hot dog buns. I'm going to buy 2 at $1.50 each. So I'm going to get 2 hot dog buns and 2 hamburger buns. That's going to be for today only because I'm going to a celebration in my old town that I live. So, yeah, our next BOGO is going to be on the Ajax and Palmolive. Buy one, get one free. Now, this will be a sequence, and it did work last night per my sister. So make sure that you guys follow the sequence. The sequence is you will put up the highest one first, and then the cheapest one, all right? So this one is $4, and that is on the Ajax is $4. And then, as you can see, it is a coupon by Ajax or Palmolive BOGO. Buy one Palmolive Essential Clean or Ajax Ultra Dish, get one free. Hit that, open that up so you can see. Now it's going to show you what it is that attaches. The Ajax attaches, that Palmolive for $3.50 attaches. All of those attaches, or you can get both the same and you get $4 off, period. So I would get both for $4 so that I can get $4 off, period, and it won't be a mistake, okay? So I'm going to pick up 2 Ajaxes, and I actually like the blue Ajax. I like this Ajax, and then my sister liked the one that's antibacterial, wherever that one is at. She used that for hand soap. So we're going to get these 2. Okay, so we just want to see if the sequence worked. Even if you don't want the $3.50, the sequence does work, okay? Okay, we're coming down here to another freebie, guys. And the freebies now, this might be early activated and it might be gone. So we will see. Because I'm looking at, look like something was early activated. Okay, so we're going to look and see what freebie it is. It is the Airwick Center Oral Refills. That's 2 count. From $6 to $7, okay? So here they are right here. Buy one, get one. Let's scan and see. And by the way, guys, this one smells so good. It is, what is this one called? Driftwood, Sea Spray, and Turquoise. Oh, it smells awesome. Let's see. Okay, $6.25. And then it is a buy one, get one free to $9.20. And this is the thing, guys, that make an awesome 5 off 25 deal. This makes an awesome one right here. Okay, so pick up 2 of these if you're going to grab these. $6.25 for 2 or $3.12 for each one. All right. Okay, next freebie. We're going to look at the Febreze warmer plugs. Remember, now this might be free and it might not, guys. That's the thing. It might be free, or your state might pull down and make you pay taxes. So you might pay whatever your taxes is. In Illinois, our taxes is 10%, so I might pay like 30 cents for them or something, okay? So this is free. Grab that. So far, guys, I've shown you 7 freebies and 1 freebie that's not there, and that would be the hot dogs and the ketchup, okay? But so far, we're up to like 7 or 8 freebies. That's awesome. Let's go through the plug-ins right here. The plug-ins are $3.25. Oh, not the, that's the spray. Sorry, guys, sorry. Yes, it's the spray. Sorry about that, guys. The spray is $3.25, and we have a $2 coupon, making that $1.25. Again, you have some awesome 5 off 25 deals for Saturday. Guys, now guess what's back? And it's back up to spend 15, save 5. So here we go right here on the Purex, $4. Spend 15, save 5 off. It's a Dollar General coupon. And then you can earn $1, so you can grab 2 of those, and you'll already pick up $2, but you need to get up to $15. And these will stack because one is a store coupon and the other one is a manufactured coupon. Whenever you see that black square with the plus sign in it, tap it, turn it into a check mark, claim your coupon. This is the other deal that I want to show you that I will do together. I will pick up the Purex at $10. I had already pulled it up, guys. Spend 15, save 5. $2 manufacturer coupon, and then you have a $2 cash back. Now let's go over this. These 2 will not stack together, but if you hit the coupon, that's the one it's going to take first, okay? If you hit both of these at one time, it's going to take this one. So you will do this one, $10, and 2 of these. So you're going to have a $2 coupon. This is the deal. So this is how we would do that. Let's do it right quick so you won't miss out on any money. 10 plus 4 plus 4 That's $18. It's a lot. So this is what you can do. Again, scan, work your deals out. Let's see what this one do. $6. Okay, no coupon but $1 back. So we're gonna rewrite and do that one. Okay, we're gonna do 10 plus 6, take you to $16. First of all, you're gonna take your 5 off that 15. You're gonna take your 2 off of that Purex. It's gonna leave you at $9 for 2. Then you're gonna take your $2 back from that one. Your $1 back. Okay. Take your $1 back once you cash out. Leave your $8. Divide that by 2, $4. This big 115 becomes $4. Now, I also want to show you a deal that we have 5 off 25 starting September 1st. This coupon is for September 1st through the 5th, so we do have a 5 off 25 coming. We also have that 2-day sale from August 31st to September 1st. So yes, be expecting me to do some 5 off 25s during the week, okay? And then you have your one for Saturday only. Candy. Remember I told you guys that the candy would start going on sale because of Halloween. The Reese's bag, 9.19 ounces, $5.75. You have 2 coupons. Both are Dollar General coupons, so pick one. Buy 2, get 1 free. So if you buy 2 and put that third one up there, it's gonna give you that candy, okay? It's gonna give you that coupon. So you would buy 2, get 1 free Reese's standard size candy bar or Oreo single serve mix cookies 2 count, okay? So you can get those for free. That's freebie number 9, and it's gonna be on the Crest toothpaste. Hit it. You go through it. This is all that the couponers do. We go through them. We see what is on sale, what it's attaching to, what is lowest with. And here you go, right here. Okay, you're gonna come to the dollar aisle and find that. That's where you're gonna find that deal at, all right? Right there. Okay, guys, another one, Mr. Clean, right here. Hit that $2. Open it up, go through. You see that $4 green Mr. Clean? If you can find that, that will be $2. That coupon is attaching to it. But we also have clearances down up in here. See these two? If you are in an older store and they have these, grab it, all right? Yes, to the dish aisle. I'm moving quickly because I don't want this video to get too long. See that? $4 Dawn power washer. Hit it. When you do that, the $4 Dawn is attaching to it, making it free. All right, so let's scan it. $4. See that $4 coupon attached? Hit that. Pick 2 of the Dawn power washers up. Buy 1, get 1 free. That is freebie number 11 in the store today. Okay, freebie number 12. You see this $1 on the Crest or the Scope? Come right here, go to your trial area, get that $1 Crest Scope 36 milliliter right there for free. Okay, guys, and last but not least, do not forget about the 50% off core clearance deal. Go in the aisles because that's where you will find a lot of it. Bye.